Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of the Attraction Intention series. My name is Giovanni Valenti, self-love and life transition coach. Today we're going to talk about putting attention on our intentions. So it is not enough to write down the life we intend to have. That is just one step of the process. It is extremely important that we do our part. This is a 50-50 relationship between us and God and the universe. And without us doing our part, there is no way that God or the universe can give us our intended life. So, what does that mean? Well, it's all about having an intention, which we set our intention yesterday. And today we're going to set our attention on our intentions. And then tomorrow we're going to talk about no tension. And this is something that I learned when I took the passion test. It's called intention, attention, no tension. So yesterday we did our intentions. We wrote down the 3 things that we intend to have in our lives. Today we're going to put our attention on it. And then tomorrow is all about having no tension. So, to put your attention on something, for example, let's say that you want a better job. Let's say that you want a job that will pay you your worth, value you, give you the time of the sick time and vacation time that you want, the retirement plan, whatever it is. It is not enough to just write that down. You have to put your attention on it. So what does that mean? That means that you need to actively seek jobs. And that means that you need to actively apply for the jobs that sound like the job that you want. Don't just apply for any job. You need to apply for the job that will closely bring you to the intended job that you want. The next thing is, let's say that your intention is to find romance. God and the universe is not going to bring your romantic partner to your door. You need to go out into the real world and meet people actively, or put yourself on some kind of online dating site if that's what you choose to do, or join groups and be active in the groups and get to know the people in the groups. And if there's a meetup, go to the meetup. It is so easy to stay stuck in your routine and not put yourself out there because it's scary and it's risky. But without risk, there is no reward. So today, I want you to put your attention on your intentions. So what you're going to do is revisit the 3 intentions that you stated yesterday. And then I want you to list at least 3 things for each one. So you should have a total of 9 that you can do to put your attention on your intentions. What are 3 things that you can actively do for each one today to help get you closer to your intended life? Now, this also means saying no to the things that will not bring you closer to your intended life. So when I was going through the passion test training, we had to question, is this going to bring me closer to my passion or my intended life, or is this going to bring me farther away from it? And if the answer was that it was going to bring me farther away, then I didn't do it or I let it go. This also means people who surround you in your life. Now, family is a different story, but you can set clear boundaries as to how that relationship is going to look now that you have gained clarity with where you want your life to take you, where you want to go with your life. And if people around you are going to bring you farther away from your intended life, then that means that you're going to have to put stricter boundaries around those relationships, or you're going to have to let these people go. That is probably the hardest part in this journey, is the loss of people in your life. And you're going to find that God in the universe a lot of the times does the work for you, and people just disappear, or something happens and the relationship changes. And you have to accept that and don't force anything that shouldn't be forced, because the only things that come into our life are what's going to help us grow and get closer to our intended life. I hope this all makes sense. If you have any questions or need any help, let me know. But I can't wait for you to share your post. Remember to post in a new post the thing with listing your intended life, like the first thing, and then 3 things that you can do today in the present to help you get closer to that. So there should be 1, and then 1, 2, 3, and then the second one, and then 1, 2, 3, and then the third one, and then 1, 2, 3. Do not forget to hashtag attraction intention day 4. Bye.